In the world of tires, proper alignment is paramount for optimal performance and longevity. But what happens if alignment goes wrong? Improper alignment can cause tires to wear unevenly and drastically reduce overall tire performance. It can even lead to poor fuel mileage and driver fatigue. Therefore, thoroughly cleaning and inspecting wheels before installing new tires is crucial. Additionally, proper inflation with concentric bead seating is essential, and regular air pressure monitoring are easy tasks to ensure balance. So how can fleets optimize tire care maintenance programs? Utilizing tire tracking software helps identify recurring issues and improve efficiency. Simple fixes like driver education and mandatory tire inflation upon return and prior to departure can make a difference. By treating tires like an engine, fleets can maximize efficiency, improve return on investment, and unlock the potential for retreading. For more information on top quality tires and solutions, visit doublecointires.com and elevate your driving experience today.